This is emergency alert system. The massive countdown meter has been dropped and fallen to the ground and hit building, city and town, even house and more. The firework has been failure, shooting people, building sned many more. The damage with massive distortion. The New York City has been burning. The something break occurred. The group of New York City has been down. Site in New York City has been down forever. And building, city and town has been damaged and destroyed. Here the city in New York and other are damaged. If you live in red or orange circle, you have to stay at home until further. If you live in yellow circle, you are safe. But careful with the caution, the burning. If you are green circle, you are safe from disaster. So that's all for the after New Year disaster you have to watch in the news. Until EAS Serenio set the clear. This is action termination. All clear. The damage is over $1 trillion to repair the building, city and town. Total injury over 1,750,000 plus. Total died over 7-9 million plus. If you are survive, the reduce you and the New York City will closed until repair finished. So this is emergency, singing off.